Okay, so in last lecture we have studied how to create a cookie and how to read a cookie. So in today's lecture, the last topic is deleting a cookie. How we can delete a cookies. How we can delete a cookies. So cookies get deleted automatically when the browser session ends or its expiration date is reached. Okay, it is deleted automatically, or if the expiry date is reached, the cookie get deleted. So how we can set a expiry date? We will see in next slide. Expiry date कशा प्रकारे आपण असाइन करू शकतो कुकीला. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ द कुकी इज टेम्पररी, ठीक आहे, कुकी जर टेम्पररी असेल, दोन टाईपच्या कुकीज सांगितलेल्या होत्या मी तुम्हाला. ओके, इफ द कुकी इज टेम्पररी, देन द कुकी विल बी डिलीटेड automatically after the closing the browser. Okay, if you want to delete the temporary cookie without closing the browser, we must update the expiry date of the cookie to the past date. Okay, जर का आपल्याला एखादी कुकी असेल टेम्पररी कुकी, पण आपल्याला ब्राउझर क्लोज न करताच तिला एक्सपायर करायची, मीन्स डिलीट करायची. सो हाऊ वी हॅव टू सेट एक्सपायरी डेट, पास्ट डेट टाकायची, म्हणजे आताची जी डेट काय असेल ती पास्ट टाकायची, म्हणजे आधीची डेट टाकायची, जेणेकरून ती डिलीट होणार. सो ऑल्सो टू डिलीट द पर्सिस्टंट कुकी, वी मस्ट अपडेट द एक्सपायरी डेट ऑफ द कुकी. ठीक आहे, दुसरी टाईपची जी कुकीज आहे दॅट इज पर्सिस्टंट कुकी. ओके, सो पर्सिस्टंट कुकी डज नॉट get deleted while closing the browser. So we have to set an expiry date for that cookie. Then automatically cookie gets expired and it will be deleted by the browser. So we use to set the date in the format such as I will show on, you can see over here. 1 minute, I am showing the format, in which format you can set the date. Okay. For that, I'm taking one example, how to delete a cookie. Okay, for that I'm taking one example. In that I will be showing how you can set a expiry date to a cookie, how we can delete a cookie. Okay, taking new file. In that, first HTML tag, then head tag.
सर स्क्रीन दिसत नाही.
Wait. Okay, now it is visible.
Yes,
HTML head and closing of a head tag, opening of a body tag, email. In head tag, we will be writing one function for deleting a cookie. First, I will write in the body tag. I'm taking a enter name. First enter username and username. For that, I am taking one text box. For that, I am taking input type equal to text. Equal to text. And for that, I am giving ID as a username. Using of a type. Then I am taking one button. For that, input type equal to button. And the value I am giving for it is delete a cookie. Delete cookie. Delete cookie. On clicking of a button, I will call a function. For that, I am giving on click to call a function delete cookie. Using of a tag. Okay. So I have taken in the body tag, I have taken one input text box and then one button. On clicking on that button, it will call a function of a deleting a cookie. I will write a function in a head tag. For that, write script first. We are writing in the script. Function delete it. Taking one variable cookie dot value underscore value, that I will store a username dot value, whichever value we will be entering in the text box, and document dot cookie equal to username and providing a cookie value. Cookie value. Limited. Semicolon. Okay. For expiry, see what we have to write. PIRES expires equal to, suppose today is Wednesday. Okay, I will write here Wednesday. Wednesday, comma, date, today's date is 17. November. Okay. November 2021. Then I will specify a time when it will be deleted. So now it is 1:10. So I will be writing in a first which format we are giving. We have to check that also, which format we are giving. Well, 10 GMT with semicolon. For that I am showing the alert as cookie has been deleted. Okay, simply we are giving a expiry date over here by which the cookie will be automatically deleted. Okay, so first I will save the program. After saving program, again I will explain it. Del cookie. See, the cookie is been deleted. The time is been for that we will be using a for seeing how the cookie has been set, we will be doing a cookie.html. We will be using this code. Means the cookie will be set. We will also see the cookie, and after clicking on a delete cookie, the cookie will be get deleted. So this is how we can delete a cookie, by giving a expiry date. Again, one example, how to set a expiry date. Okay, again one example I am showing. In that the idea will be clear. In that, you can also extend the life of a cookie by setting a new expiration date to the cookie. Okay, you can also increase the cookie expiry date. This can be done by setting the expires attribute to a new date and time. So for that, we will be using, the date has the following function: to get the month of the date, to set the month of the date, and to the format of date string. So we are having some functions to get the month and set the month. Okay, which month is going on and which we are going to set. For that, there is a format to UTC string. This function formats the date in a standard format to set to the expiry date of the cookie. So I will edit on this example only, how we can change. For that same example I am taking, only the function I am changing over here, changing of a date. I am taking is as a change date. So this is our example. I am taking a function as a change date. Here we are extending the expiry date. Means we are providing a new date. So the cookie will expire on that new date. Extend, and giving the value as extend expiry date. The value, I have taken username. Then I will change the function. We have taken the function as a change date. Here, where now we will get the today's date. By using this, we will get the today's date. Now equal to new date. This will show today's date. This is the function to get the today's date. Okay. This is the function by which you will be getting today's date. Okay. For that, I am giving an alert. Means you will see how today's date. This is the variable. Huh? By this, we will get today's date. What is date? So I will write it in a alert means you can see the date which we are getting over here. Okay, next, set. How to set the date? So we are extending the date means we are first taking out today's date, then on that we are applying a new date. So how to set it? For that, in this we are getting our date. There is a function name as a set month. In that, dot date month. By using the get month function, we'll only get the month which is going on. Okay. And plus one means I have extended 1 month. Okay, whatever this month, suppose today is November, plus one I am doing means it will take December. The expiry date set will be of December. Only changing over here. I am not specifying the date because we are taking the system date, and on system date we are setting a new date. For that we are taking now to, this is the standard format, UTC string. Okay. Then I'm showing the alert means whichever date is changed, it will be shown over here. Expiry date of cookie is being changed. Username, giving the cookie value. Value. See, I have written the program. So first of all, I will save it. See, this is our first alert, which I have given. Which alert? This. When I click on the button, the function is being called change date. By using this function, we are getting the current date, which is today's date. By using a date function, okay, we are getting today's date. So you can see over here the date. See, Wednesday, November 17, 2001. This is the time 13:20:48 GMT. This is the Pacific Standard Time. We have to write in this format only. Okay, so this is the date we are getting. Then after that, one minute. some comma is missing. So now get this is the cookie value, and we are running here expiry date. Okay, I'm again running the program. Okay, this is the standard date, today's date we are getting over here. Wait a minute. And for some time I'm let for this a comment. Wait for a minute. So this is the program by which we are changing the date. Means we are getting the date by today's date by using the date function. We are setting the expiry date 1 month ahead. By using a get month, we are getting the month. Okay. Then we are extending it to a 1 month. With +1 it will go to December. And after on December it will be deleted.